Hello everyone, I'm Elias, and today I'm going to show you how to set up over-the-reality, also known as OVR. If you are new to this augmented reality and blockchain platform, this guide will help you to set up and start quickly and securely. Let's get started. The first step is to create an account on OVR.AI. Visit the official website. And click on Sign Up. Enter your personal information and create a secure password. Make sure you confirm your email to secure your account. Additionally, for extra security, connect one of your social medias, such as Google, Facebook, or Apple. Next, download the OVR app to fully access to the platform features. It's available for both Android and iOS devices. Once installed, log in using your new account credentials. Be sure to use the referral code OVR.reward10 for get an extra booster. Next, you need to connect your crypto wallet. The most widely used wallet is MetaMask and is compatible with OVR.AI. If you don't have a MetaMask installed, go to their website or browse the extension store, download it and set up. To complete the regulations and secure your account further, you will need to complete the KYC process. These steps verifies your identity. Follow the on-screen instructions to upload the necessary documents and complete the verification. Once done, your profile should look like this, with all the data verified. Now that your account is fully set up and secure, you are ready to purchase OVR tokens. These tokens are essential for buying lands and other assets on the platform. Head to a supported cryptocurrency exchange, buy the necessary tokens, and transfer them to your MetaMask wallet. Then you are all set up to explore and purchase OVR lands. Now you are fully equipped for starting exploring over the reality and making the most of this incredible platform. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.